Alright, let's go over how to create your navigation menu. Um, so by default you'll just have, a big bar where the menu is supposed to go, and this is what we'll be filling in. There's actually three types of navigation menus that we can use, or for three spots. There's the one at the very top in this dark bar on the left, the main navigation, and then a footer navigation. And you can choose to use whichever one you want, or all three. It's very simple. So we'll go into our dashboard. Let's go under Appearance. We'll hit Menus. So Appearance Menus. And we're going to start creating some menus. So by default, let's go ahead and just create a menu. You can name it whatever you want. But let's call ours Main Navigation. Let's create our menu. And let's start adding some items to it. So I'm just going to start go under Pages and just start adding, let's add our home page, our About Us, our blog, and a full width page. And I'm just going to add all of these to our menu. You just select and then click Add to Menu. They'll all pop up. You can adjust the order by just dragging and dropping them. Very simple. Let's go ahead and save our menu. Now that we've created a menu, we need to go under Theme Locations and select our menu. So right now we're doing Main Navigation, and we'll select Main Navigation or whatever you named your menu that you want to show up. And you can use the same menu for all of them, but I'll go ahead and create one at a time to show you. Let's save our menu in our theme location, and then we'll view our site, and we now have our menu set up. So let's go ahead and do that again. We'll go under Appearance Menus. You can just click this plus. We'll add another menu. And let's call this one Header Top Menu. Create our menu, and I'm only going to add one link. Let's add Sample Page. So we'll add that to our menu. Click Save. And since we wanted this one to be in the top, we'll just go to Top Navigation, select Header Top Menu. We'll save that. Let's check out our site, and we now have Sample Page at the very top. So it's really easy to just create menus. You can do the same thing for the footer. I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you how to make some basic changes. So let's say we want to do a drop-down menu. Let's say we wanted to have a couple items under blog. We'll go under our Appearance Menus. Let's select our Main Navigation again. You just select the tab. And let's add Sample Page and About Us underneath as a drop menu for blog. So we'll just add it to our menu. And what you want to do is you want to select it and drag it slightly to the right of the item above it, and it'll kind of automatically snap to it. So you see how it's a left aligned, but we'll want it to be under blog and slightly to the right. So we'll do that, and we'll save that menu. So now we have our menu, and then there'll be a drop down with About and Sample. See, About now has the drop down arrow. We click on it, and we have About Us and Sample. Super easy to make additional drop down menus if you want. Let's go back to our menus, and you can take them back out if you don't want Sample Page in there anymore. If you want it back in, and you can keep doing this deeper levels. I think I have it set up for at least like 3 or 4. So let's go ahead and leave that alone, and let's do some things like, let's say you want to change, you want your page title to be About Us, but you only want to display About. So you can go to drop down and you can adjust the navigation label. And this is what's going to actually show up in the navigation. So let's go ahead and we did that, and we'll save this. We'll go back, and About now has About instead of About Us. Just trying to give you some tips on how to customize your menu. And then obviously if you want to delete an item, you just click that same down arrow and you click remove, and it's now off your item. So the menus are super easy to use and set up.